Hi guys, today I'll try to make and to show you how to make a hologram pyramid for the smartphone. It shouldn't be that difficult. All we need is a sheet of paper, a ball pen, a ruler, some tape, a cutter, a pair of scissors, any kind of pliers you find around your house, and an old CD DVD case I'm sure all of us still have somewhere in the house.
Basically, what we need to do first is to draw an isosceles trapezoid on the paper with the following dimensions: the large base 6 centimeters, the small base 1 centimeter, and 3.5 centimeters in height. These are the figures for a smartphone. If you're planning to use a tablet, you will need to double all of them. We first draw the large base and put a mark at the middle. Then we draw a perpendicular line that crosses the base right on that middle point. And mark the height 3.5 centimeters, at which point we draw perpendicular on this line as well. This will be the small base. And we will mark its ends at half a centimeter on each side. Now all we have to do is to connect the ends of the bases. And here's our trapezoid, which I will cut with the scissors. There you have it. I'll use it as a stencil for the trapezoid that I'm going to cut out of the DVD case, but first and foremost, let me remove these edges I don't need. Now, by keeping the trapezoid firmly in place, I draw the contour with the cutter. Or I will simply mark the corners, which I will immediately connect. There you go, I have the first plastic trapezoid, which I will now use to make the other three. I've cut all the trapezoids, now I should glue them together. Not in this position, of course. With some small pieces of adhesive tape. Transparent adhesive tape, that's a must. As you should see, but I guess you don't because I have a crappy webcam, there is a tiny gap. I leave a tiny gap between the trapezoids because the tape needs a bit of leeway to be able to bend without much effort. Now I guess you can see it better. I repeat the operation for all the pieces. And here's the pyramid. Easy job, which will yield, I hope, a spectacular result. There are many holo videos on YouTube. I'll just choose one and let's see.